Hey guys, here comes the first video of Learner series which deals with the bubble sort algorithm. Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are placed in a wrong order. Consider an array like this. Now, our task is to sort the given array using bubble sort. Bubble sort algorithm mainly depends on two things, that is a for loop and if condition. There are two for loops involved in bubble sort. The first for loop is for the number of passes and the second for loop is for traversing. If condition is used to check whether the swapping is to be done or not. So this is how it works. First pass. The first element is greater than the second element, that is 7 is greater than 5, hence swapping occurs, and the j pointer is moved to the next element. So here second element is not greater than the third element, that is it is placed in the correct order for the first pass, hence the j pointer alone is moved to the next element. Now here the third element is greater than the fourth element, hence again swapping occurs and the j pointer is moved to the next element. Here fourth element is greater than the fifth element, hence again swapping occurs and the j pointer is moved to the next element. Here the fifth element is greater than the sixth element and hence again swapping occurs. And the first pass is completed since the last element has been reached. Note, after the first pass, the largest element will be placed in the right position, that is in the last position. Now here comes the second pass. Second pass, again it will start from the first element. The first element is compared with the second element. In this case, the first element is lesser than the second element, hence the j pointer alone is moved to the next element. Now here the second element is greater than the third element, hence swapping occurs and the j pointer is moved to the next element. Again the third element is greater than the fourth element, hence swapping occurs and the j pointer is moved to the next element. Here again the fourth element is greater than the fifth element and hence again swapping occurs and the j pointer will reach to the end. And the second pass is completed. Now the third pass. Again the first element is compared with the second element. The first element is greater than second element, hence swapping occurs. Now the j pointer is moved to the next element and again second element is greater than the third element, so again swapping occurs. And now the j loop comes to an end and the given array is sorted.